With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a string of length 120 cm sustained a standing wave with the points of the string at which the displacement amplitude is equals to 3.5 mm being separated by 15 cm. Find the maximum displacement amplitude and to which overtone the oscillation correspond. So if you see here, it is given that where the displacement amplitude is 3.5, the points are separated by 15 cm and the two ends are fixed here. So if you see here, since the two ends are fixed, I will write down L lambda by 2, where n is the number of harmonic. So it will be lambda will be equals to this. And if you see here at x equals to 0, displacement node will form. So I can write down the amplitude at a distance x. It is simply kx. And k is, we know it is 2 pi by lambda. Put the value here. It is n pi by 120. Sine n pi by 120. Now it is said that the 2 point where the amplitude is 3.5 mm, right, they are separated by a distance this. So when you change the value of x by 15 centimeter, right, then the amplitude becomes same. So if I draw the diagram here, so let's say this is the string and here this is the oscillation taking place. We don't know the number of loop, but it can be any integer 1, 2, 3. Alright, so if you see here, if I draw a line parallel to y is equals to 3.5 mm or minus 3.5 mm, that is this. This is y is equals to 3.5 mm, y is equals to minus 3.5 mm. These two are having the amplitude 3.5 mm. If you see, we want the displacement amplitude to be 3.5 mm. So if you see here, this displacement is said it is 15. So let me write down, this is 15. This is also 15. This is also 15. And this is also 15. So in this way, the distance between any 2 points where the amplitude is 3.5, it is 15. Alright. So basically, if you see from the symmetry, this distance will be 7.5. The symmetry, this distance will be 7.5. If you see, it is already given that they are separated by 15 centimeters. So this distance from the symmetry, it will be the middle point. Right. So you can see here the distance, this distance, right? If you see here, this is 15, this is 15 centimeter, and this is again 15 centimeter, and this is 7.5 and this is 7.5. This is 7.5, that is 15 by 2, and this is again 15 by 2. So basically, the lambda is here 15 into 3 plus 15 by 2 plus 15 by 2. If you see 15 plus 15 plus 15, so let me remove this. 15 plus 15 plus 15, and this distance here is 15 by 2 and this is 15 by 2 again. So I will write down 15 by 2 plus 15 by 2. So it is 45 plus 15, it is 60. So 60 centimeter is the lambda here. So I will write down the number of overtone. It will be, if you see here, we already can see it is 24 by lambda from this expression, 240 by lambda. So I will write down the number of, it is 240 by lambda, so it is this. So this is oscillating in fourth harmonic and third overtone. So as you got the fourth harmonic, right? So we can also get the maximum displacement amplitude, right? So if you see, put the value of n is equals to 4. Here k is n pi by 120. So we will put the value of n and x. So we can see here at x is equals to 15 by 2 centimeter. The amplitude is 3.5. At s equals to 15 by 2 centimeter, the amplitude is 3.5. And the second thing is n is equals to 4. So we will just put the value here. Sine, it is n pi by 120x. So n is 4 here. So it will be 4 by 120 is 1 by 130. So put the value of x. So I will write down. So this will get cancelled out and you will get sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is, we know it is 1 by root 2. So it is a by root 2, right? So from here we can write down a is root 2 into 3.5 mm. So it will be 5 mm. Maximum amplitude we got, it is 5 mm, and this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.